Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make baby shower pom-poms. So today you will need tissue paper. This only costs $1.99. You will need some string. You will need either clear string or either white string, but I can only find this kind right now, so this is what I have to do. Okay, so first you will need the tissue paper. I have gold. So first you want to cut it in half. And I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back and I have the tissue paper cut in half. So what you want to do is you want to take the tissue paper and you want to fold it like a fan. So you want to like, make sure it's in the camera. You want to fold it like this way, and then you want to fold it like, this way, and then keep doing it back and forth until you get to the end of the sheet. So I'm gonna do a couple, then I'm gonna pause this video and I'm gonna go do it off the camera. Then I'm gonna come back and show you the finished product. So I'm gonna keep doing this like a fan. So I'm gonna do it off the camera and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys. Okay guys, so here's how it looks. Like, fold it like a fan, see? Like a fan. You just wanna fold that like a fan. I'm gonna place these scissors on top of this just to keep it down while I get the string. So now you want to get some string. Okay, listen guys, make sure you get either clear or white string, because when you hang the pom-poms up at the baby shower, you want to make sure the string is invisible. So you just want to get some string. Make sure you hold this fan. Okay. And then you want to wrap it in the middle. It's probably not big enough. Let me make the string longer, actually. Okay. So you're gonna wrap it in the middle. I should have made like smaller folds, so make sure when you do it, you guys make smaller folds. That's what I should have did. Let me just tie this up real quick, really quick, off the camera. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me just put it in the camera. So I'm gonna tie this up. Tie it again. Make sure it's in the middle. Okay. So now what you guys want to do is, they're not even even, but this is just for demonstration. So now what you guys want to do is, just want to cut it. Alright, so let me get these scissors. So now you just want to cut it in like a mini pattern, or I don't know, I can't really make a pattern, but see? You want to do the same thing to the other side. But it's kind of hard to do a pattern. I'm just do anything just for demonstration. You guys could do like a pattern, or whatever you guys want to do. Okay? Then what you guys want to do is just spread it out. Spread it out. You want to like pull it up. Pull it up like individually, like one sheet at a time. Make sure you guys don't rip the sheet. Pull it up like one sheet at a time. I'm not sure as to why this tissue paper is like kind of white on the back. I don't know if all tissue paper is like that. I'm not sure. Let me know down below if all tissue paper is like that. I'm not sure. I'm gonna try to like fluff it out. Fluff it out. You do the same thing to the next sheet, so to the following sheets. And I'm gonna come back and show you guys how it looks. Okay, I came back to show you guys the progress that I made so far. So this is 2 sheets. This is how it looks. I kind of fluffed it out, you know, like fold it up like this to fluff it out. You're gonna do the same thing for all the other sheets, like I said previously. Now just pull it out like this. But don't be too rough that it rips. Just make sure you like pull it, but make sure you still be gentle at the same time. You know? And one sheet at a time, remember, for the best result. Sorry that the camera is so close. So you want to keep doing it for the rest of the sheet. Let me try to zoom out a little bit to show you guys. Okay, there we go. The last one. Hold this last sheet up. Like the pom pom. And like fluff it out, you know, the best way you can. I'm pretty sure you guys can do better. I'm just doing it for the demonstration. Just fluff it out. I'm trying to figure out. Okay, so where's the other piece of string? You guys. So then what you'll do is, let's just pull it to the other side actually. Hold on guys, give me 1 second. Pull the string to the other side. Okay. You can clean under that. Okay, there we go. So, I'm not sure. Okay, actually, I'm gonna flip it up. And then you will hang it. You know, like, you can attach it to like balloons. Like, what is it called? An arch. You attach it to like the arch. You can like hang it. I'm trying to make sure I hide that to the middle part right here. I'm trying to hide that the best way I can. But you can hang it on an arch. You know, like this right here would be like the balloon, the arch of the balloons, and you can hang it on like this. And it just, the people will see this side of it, and then this side will be attached to the balloon, to like the arch, whatever it's called. So it'll be attached to that with the string. Make sure you get white or clear string so it can look good. You attach it, you know, to it, and then they'll see this side only. You can attach it to many different things, whatever you guys want to attach it to. I'm just giving that as an example of what you guys can do. Or you can also hang it up from the ceiling as well. Like, hang it up like this, and then people will see this side only. So yes, this is the video. You will need, let me show you guys again what you will need. Make sure you get clear or white string so it will be invisible. And get some string. You need some scissors. You need any color tissue paper. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Please leave them down below. Thank you for watching. Bye.